Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show the only safe way to permanently erase your Android phone. First, unlock your phone and go to the home screen. Then find and open the Settings app from your app drawer or Quick Access menu. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down carefully until you find the System option, then tap on it. Inside the System menu, look for Reset options and open it. Now you will see different reset choices. From here, select Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Scroll down and press the Erase All Data button. If your phone is protected with a security lock, it will now ask you to enter your PIN, password, or pattern for verification. Enter your correct security code and proceed. Tap on Confirm to start the process. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.